Greetings of the day. Myself Chitra Sharma, Assistant Professor with AISSMS CHMCT. My subject is front office, and the topic will be in guest service. It will be message handling. We will be seeing what is a message handling. There are various types of guest service which we give it to the guest. In already my 3 presentation, you have seen guest mail, you have seen left luggage handling and wake up call. This is my fourth presentation where you will be seeing message handling. This type of guest services come in the third stage of the guest cycle, that is the stage. We will see what is a message handling. There are times when the guest is at the hotel and they get a telephone call for the guest who are not present in the room or in the hotel. In such situation, the front desk agent or the front desk associate takes the message for the guest and delivers the same to them as soon as the guest returns. But there is a way of taking these messages, and it keeps lot of importance because any small mistake can actually change the meaning of the message. There is a standard procedure for message handling. Like, if you get a message for a guest, it is always better to deliver as soon as possible. Otherwise, in course of time, we might tend to forget the message, and that message can be important to the guest. We need to always, if a guest is expecting some kind of message or a visitor, it is always better to ask him to fill the location form so that we can reach him to see where he is actually in the hotel, because hotel is a huge place, and to search for a guest, it becomes little bit difficult if there is no location form. It is always better to note down the message in two copies. Basically, if even one copy is lost, at least the second copy is always there for the guest. It is the best way of correcting the message or verifying the message is to always repeat whatever message has been taken for confirmation. We need to take the contact details and address of the caller or the visitor who has given the message. We have to keep it in a semi-automated system. It was usually kept in a mail and message key rack, but in an automated system, it is always in the guest folio. And the most important thing, please deliver to the guest as soon as possible. These are the few images of how the messages are taken over the phone and in the person for any guest. This is the sample of a location form where you can see the name of the guest, room number, where what well he is expecting, whether it is by a personal visit or telephone call, and then if he is not in the room, where he has to be located, and any specific information and signature of the guest to verify, so that there is no issue in further. Say the guest is saying that I never expected a guest and you have sent the guest to me. This form was usually used in the semi automated system, and this is a message slip which over the phone or in person anybody comes for the guest, which we fill it from the guest. These are the few questionnaire for the presentation. This presentation is a very small presentation, and if you have any doubts, you can go to first slide where my email ID is given and get back to me for any concern. These are the references from where it has been taken. Thank you and have a great learning.